Good day guys, I am Kath and welcome to our video. Our topic is about the Social Amelioration Program. The Philippines was not spared by the COVID-19 pandemic. In March 2020, President Duterte placed the entire Luzon Island under enhanced community quarantine to control the spread of the dreaded coronavirus. This forced Filipino families to stay at home while the government sourced funds for financial help for these families. This was done through the Social Amelioration Program, or SAP. SAP is a cash emergency subsidy program for 18 million Filipino families whose lives were greatly affected by the ECQ. It was mandated by the Bayanihan to Ill as One Act, which was signed to law last March 25, 2020. Under SAP, each qualified family can receive at least 5,000 to 8,000 per month for 2 months for basic food, medicine, and toiletries. The amount varies depending on the prevailing minimum wage rates and takes into account the other subsidy programs in cash or in kind under the DSWD. Each group are given a chance to choose on what problem are we gonna execute. And my group chose the problem number 1, which is create a Java which will require the user to do the following. Number 1. Enter the name of the recipient. Number 2. Enter the region where the recipient resides. Number 3. Answer the question for peace recipient with yes or no. And number 4. Display the amount of amelioration to be received based on Table 1. Also display the recipient name, region, wage rate, and if the recipient is 4-piece member or not. This is the table number 1. Schedule of SAP per region. Sa number 1 po, mag-enter tayo ng name. Example, my name, Kathmae. Sa number 2 naman, i-display the first menu of the regions. Kunyari, NCR, CAR, Region 1, Region 2, and so on. Sa number 3 naman po, kailangan sa program makikita kung 4-piece recipient and sasagot ng yes or no. Sa number 4, i-display yung amount ng amelioration na natanggap nila based sa table 1 and i-display din yung recipient name, yung region, the wage rate, and if the recipient is 4-piece or not. J option po yung ginamit namin and sa NetBean po kami gumawa. Sa next video, i-explain naman po ni Ate Ram kung anong klaseng data types at kung paano iraran yung program.
Hi guys, I'm Ram and today I'm going to discuss about the input of our case study. So first is we're gonna talk about the different data types, some variables, and also the application that we use in this. So today I'm going to discuss about the input of our case study. So we use the software NetBeans because for us it is less hassle and it is less cost because you just need to search it into Google, then you can download it easily. The first thing to do is to reference the library we want to use. So we put import javax.swing.j option pane semicolon. So this tells a Java that we want to use j option pane class located in the Java X Swing library. So ito siya guys, yung Java X Swing library. So after the import, we go to the public class, problem 1, then curly bracket, public static void main, then open close parentheses, string args, then square na bracket, then curly bracket ulit. String, we use the data type string because we want to input a text, like gusto natin na ito yung lumabas sa mga user once na nira nila yung program. So, string enter equals option pane dot show input dialog. So, yung null, tong null, it is a Java keyword and it just means that a message is not associated with anything else in the program. Ito siya, tong null. Then, after comma comes the next, we want to display in the message box. So, ito yung gusto natin na mapalabas. Yung enter the name of the recipient, colon, then double quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. So, after na to, ang susunod na data type na ginamit namin is still yung string pa rin. String regions equals option pane that show input dialog. So, ito yung gusto namin na lumabas na dialog box sa mga user. Null, comma, enter the region. So, yung user, kailangan na i-enter kung anong regions pa sila. Then, \n, double quote, plus, double quote, ncr, car, plus car, then, ito yung 1, ito yung region 1, then, 2, plus 3, then, \n, double quote, plus, 4a, comma, double quote, plus 4b, comma, \n, and so on, guys, hanggang barmm, then we close it with close parenthesis, then semicolon. After the string regions, we go to string ps, because option pane that show input dialog, katulad lang rin sa mga nauna, gusto natin na maglabas ng text box sa mga user. So, null, open parenthesis, null, comma, are you a 4-piece recipient? Yes or no? Then, colon, double quote, close parenthesis, then semicolon. Then, after the input dialog, we go to string ncr. Then, yung string, ayun pa rin yung data type ng ncr. Then, next is the double data type. ncr underscore c equals 537.00 semicolon. So, yung double na data type is para siya sa mga number or like a value na may decimal. Like ito, itong sa given dun sa table na 537.00. So, double yung ginamit namin. Double, then next is double ncr underscore a equals 8,000.00 semicolon, then double ncr underscore b equals 6,650.00 semicolon. So, itong 537, para siya sa daily minimum wage in pesos. Tapos, yung 8,000 is yung subsidy amount in pesos per month. Ito yung para sa mga non-4Ps. Then, itong 6,650 is ESP given to families with members of 4Ps. So, ito rin siya, guys. Katulad sa mga sumunod, ito yung sa minimum wage ng sa region na car. Then, ito yung sa mga non-4Ps na makukuha nila sa SAP. Then, ito yung kapag member ka ng 4Ps, 4,150. Katulad lang rin siya, guys. Simula NCR, car, region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4A, and so on. Hanggang region BARNM ulit. Then, after putting all the regions dito sa string na double na data type, we go to the if statement. If, open parenthesis, regions, that equals ignored case, open parenthesis, NCR, then double quote, close parenthesis. So, itong equals ignored case, ibig sabihin lang nito na kapag yung user nag-input ng letter na to, ng gantong word na NCR, it doesn't matter kung uppercase siya or lowercase yung isinulat nila. So, gagana pa rin siya whether kung yun nga. Then, yun nga. Naglagyan kami ng curly bracket. If ulit, then, open parenthesis, regions that equals ignore case, then, open parenthesis, double quote, NCR, quote, then, close parenthesis, then, dalawang ampersand. So, yung dalawang ampersand, it means that it's a logical and operator. It returns if both operands are true and returns false otherwise. So, PS plus equals in our case, open parenthesis, double quote, no, then yung double quote ulit, then close parenthesis. Then kapag no daw, J option pane that show message dialog, open parenthesis null. So, kapag no yung sinagot, lalabas yung name of recipient, then, are you with 4Ps, tapos, kung anong region, kung ano yung amount of amelioration, then, lalabas yung kung anong yung amount. Then, kapag yes naman, lalabas is J option pane that show message dialog. So, may lalabas ulit na dialog box or like text box kung saan ang nakalagay is yung name of recipient, then, are you with 4Ps, kung anong region, kung ano yung amount of wage, then, amount of amelioration, PHP, then yun. So, katulad ulit dun sa mga nauna ko, ano yung sa NCR guys, ayun na rin yung ginamit namin sa other regions, like CAR, Region 1, then ulit yung mga else if statement, if, else if, then Region 2, Region 3, Region 4A, Region 4B, and hanggang, yan, BARMM ulit na region. So, yan.
And sa last video naman po, ipapakita ni Chester Tayco kung paano gumana at ang naging output ng program namin.
Ako pala si Chester James C. Tayco, ipapakita namin yung program namin at ipapakita rin namin kung paano ito gumagana. Here's an example of the following output in the given problem first. Ang una po natin gagawin dito ay pag-run po ng program. Click lang po natin ito. Tapos lalabas po yung, ay tatayin ka po ng program kung ano po yung name of recipients. Kunyari po Chester, pangalan ko po, nalagay ko lang po. Tapos tatayin ka rin po ng program kung anong region ka po nabibilang. Example po NCR. Tapos may lalabas po kung ano ka po, belong ka po ba sa 4Ps or hindi po. Pero try po natin muna yung yes bago po yung no. Kung ano po ang lalabas ang resulta po sa yes. Ito naman po yung lumabas sa yes po, resulta po ng yes kapag kabilang ka po sa 4Ps. Lalabas din po yung amount of wage and amount of amelioration. Ang amount of wage po ng NCR with 4Ps 537 po, and amount of amelioration yung 6,650. Then try po naman po natin yung without 4Ps. Type po natin ulit ang pangalan, yung region po. Then dito naman po yung no naman po, subukan natin, no? Ito naman po ang pinapakita sa may without 4Ps. Wala po siyang kasamang amount of wage kasi hindi po siya kabilang sa 4Ps. Yung lumabas lang po dito yung amount of amelioration po. Nakikita niyo naman po yung 8,000 pesos po. Tapos try po naman po natin yung ibang region. Paulit-ulit lang po yung pagta-type lang po natin. Dito po Chester po ulit. Then papapiliin ka po kung anong region. Try po naman po natin yung Caraga. Tapos tatanungin ka po ulit kung 4Ps recipient ka po or hindi. Pero subukan po natin ulit yung yes. Then, ito naman po, lumabas sa Caraga. Yung amount of wage naman po dito is 320. Yung amount of amelioration naman po, 3,650. Kapag 4Ps ka pa, makikita rin po amount of wage. Then, try naman po natin yung without 4Ps po. Chester ulit. Caraga. No? Ito naman po, lumabas sa without 4Ps po sa Caraga. Amount of amelioration naman po niya ay 5,000 pesos. Then, subukan naman po natin ibang program para makita po natin kung lumalabas nga po kung tama pong pagpapandar po ng program. Chester. Try po natin yung X. Then, type ulit po natin yung yes kung 4-piece recipient ka po. Kapag no naman po, kapag di ka po 4-piece recipient. Type yes. Ito naman po lumabas sa Region X. Amount of page 365. Amount of amelioration naman po 4,650. Try naman po natin ulit yung no kung magkano naman po yung amount doon. Chester X no. Ito naman po yung resulta po ng ng Region X po without 4-piece po. 6,000 pesos po. Ayun lang po yung ganyan lang po ang pagpo-program ng region po. Ay name of recipient, lumalabas po siya ng maayos. Chester, tapos lumalabas din po ng maayos at napapa-under naman po siya ng maayos. And nakikita naman po nandyan po lahat ng region. Tapos expo natin to. Hindi naman po lahat ng amount ng bawat region. Ito po. Yan. Napakita po. Ayun lang po lahat ng amount of region.
That's it guys. I hope nakatulong at naintindihan nyo kung paano namin na-run ang program namin. Bye!